to Storm Motorcycles channel. Second day now, working on these exhausts. Got loads to get through today. Got to clean the old downpipes up, get them prepped and ready for painting. While we're doing that in the process, we'll show you the little housekeeping tip with the black Harpic bleach. Great, you can do it while it's on your bike if you've got surface rust on your pipes. Any other bits of your bike, I've used it on rusty screwdriver bits, bolt heads, stuff like that. So great little tip that I picked up off another YouTuber. There's loads of videos out there, but I'll just quickly run you through it. I've got the end cans, they need polishing up while they're off. I noticed when the belly pan come off, that's taken a beating over the winter. We'll get a little bit of a light sanding down and get that resprayed so it's looking decent. And I'll stop through, we'll do some time-lapse stuff. You don't want to see me stood there polishing stuff for hours on end. So we'll time-lapse some of it. We'll stop. If there's anything I think that's relevant, we'll stop and we'll have some time with that. Like I say, there's loads to get on with today. I've got 3 days off work. I need this bike back on the road the day after tomorrow. So let's get on with it. Okay, so giving that a good rub down, that's pretty clean, but there's patches still. Obviously I'm prepping for paint, so I'm going to use some of this stuff, brush it on, leave it for about 15 minutes, and then let it dry, and that should be good then. That's just going to get any remnant off, and then I can paint over.